In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a progress bar. So let's open up our Visual Basic and open up a standard Excel. Okay. Let's right click here on the toolbar, go to Components. So you're going to want to load here. Okay, now let's look for Microsoft Windows Control. So Microsoft Windows Common Control 6.0. Check the box, click Apply, and tools should be added to your toolbar there. So close. And let's look for the progress bar. There it is. Let's place the progress bar into our form. Okay, if we were to run this right now, the progress bar will not be filled. Nothing will happen. It'll just be an empty progress bar. So, in order for us to fill up the progress bar, we need a timer. So, let's add a timer here. Alright. So the code to make the progress bar get filled is first the property name of the progress bar, which is, if you look over here, property name, progress bar 1. So let's go progress bar 1 dot value is equal to progress bar 1 dot value plus 1. Alright. If we were to run this right now, it would still not be, it wouldn't fill anything up. And that is because we didn't put an interval. So we have to put an interval into our timer. So click on the timer, go to the interval, put whatever value. 1000 is equal to 1 second. So if you put that, it'll take a while to fill up the progress bar. So let's put 1. So if we were to run this, the progress bar should fill up. Okay. There's a debug. The debug is because the progress bar has reached the max, and the timer is asking to add above the max, which is not allowed. Because the progress bar, if you click on it and go to the properties, has a max value. The max value is 100. And because the timer is adding 1, it has already reached it and it debugged. So let's put a code for it not to debug, to stop the timer. So if progress bar 1 dot value is equal to 100, which is the max, then timer 1 dot enabled is equal to false. So if we were to run this, there would be no debug because the timer finished exactly at 100. Alright. So now, let's say okay, we have a successful progress bar here, or a loading bar. So what if we want percent of how much it's done? So let's make a label. Okay. And the label's name is label 1. So consider the text inside the label. Okay. So we go to the timer, and since it's already, the max is 100 and percentage is usually at 100, it's pretty much the code right there. So label 1 dot caption is equal to progress bar 1 dot value, and then that's and symbol, double quote, inside the double quote is the percent. This will add a percent symbol to the value, and you will see. Let's run it. There we go. And it stops at 100. There's that percent. Okay, sometimes if you want, you can just play around with the properties of this let's show you some of the cool properties of this progress bar. So if we go to scrolling, standard is the little cubes. If you want to smooth, it'll make it one flat line. So I'll show you apply. If you run that, a smooth bar there. Alright. Now, maybe you want it to go up instead of left to right. So let's go ahead and see, where is that? Default. And horizontal. There we go. Orientation. Vertical. Apply. So if we run this, there we go. Let's process that. Okay. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.